Okay, now I am showing you how to download Appium in Windows 10. So if you follow this 7 step, I will 100% sure you will be download on your PC. Just at first you have to check your specification. What is the specification? Just go to this PC and go to properties. Then you will be see the system type. My processor 64-bit operating system based on processor. Okay, then you have to go first step. First step, install Node.js. Just copy this, Control C. Okay, go to the browser, paste here, enter. Then this is the latest version and includes npm. The npm version is 10.2.3. Okay, just copy there, install there. Sorry, it will be downloaded. Okay, I have downloaded this. Go to the download. Okay, I have downloaded after some time ago. So this is the download version. So install, next, I accept agreement, next. This is the program file, then you will be get the node.js. Okay, next. Okay, next. Automatically necessary tools that okay, you can click on it, it's your wish, no problem. Install. Yes. Okay, download is finished. So go to the uh, command prompt. Second step, check on cmd. Okay, write down there cmd. You'll be get the command prompt. Click on there. So copy this for check node.js version installed or not. Okay, paste here, enter. Congratulations, your node.js version already installed. So you have to check npm version. Copy this and put it down there. Okay, npm installed also. So you have to go step 3. Okay, so step 3, install appium on cmd. Okay, command prompt, you have to install appium. So copy this, go to paste here and install. Then you will be see automatically appium will be installed. It takes some time. Okay, after install you have to see this. Then you have to go 4 step. What will be the 4 step? Check the appium version. Okay, just copy this and paste there, enter. Congratulations, appium version 2.41 already installed on your command prompt. Okay, so you have to go step 5. 4 step we have already completed, so we have to go 5th step. So start appium on cmd, done. Okay, so 5th step, copy this, start appium on cmd. You have to check then appium installed or work or not on your cmd for command prompt. So copy this and paste there, Stay okay. Welcome to Appium version 2.441. It's already installed. This is the server path 4723. Okay, this is okay. And then we now, if you want to download the desktop version, then you have to follow the step 6. So copy this version and go to the browser, paste here. Okay, then you have to go just that's one. Okay, Appium desktop setup 1.8.2 exe. Okay, this is the link for download. Just click here. Okay, okay, what you have to see Appium desktop file already started download. Just keep just 5 minutes wait. Okay, this is the Appium desktop version. So click on it. It takes some time. Okay, so this is the process for process for installation. So please, whether you wish to make this software available all user, just yourself. If you want to use this for you only for you, then you have to select one. And but I have to select who use all user type. So click on it and install. Okay, do you want to allow? Just click on yes. It takes some time. Just wait. Okay, congratulations. After completing setup, finish. Just wait for run the Appium on your PC. Okay, so after install, you have to see this type of page. Then if you are go to edit configuration, you have to set up the Android home and Java home. Okay, so what is the next process? So go to yeah, you have to go to step 7, Appium Edit Configuration. This is the configuration procedure. So copy this, Control C, then go run, run. So run, paste here. Now I have to finding the Android home, how to set up this on configuration. So okay, then go to appdata, then go to local, then you have to see Android. Okay, so click it on and SDK. So click there and Control C. Sorry, Control C. Then I have to go to environment variable. Okay, you have to set this path, environment variable. So you have to click it new and variable name. You have to what will be the name on their Android home. Okay, Android home. So same path you have to write down there. Okay, a and underscore home. So paste value. Okay, okay. So then you have to go the Java home. Okay, so how will you have to set the path? Then you have to go local disk, then go to program files and search on Java. This is the Java folder. Go to JDK and copy this. Okay, copy. Then you have to go same environment. Then you have to set new, write it down. What will be the Java underscore home? Okay, then you have to write down the Java underscore, sorry, Java underscore home. Then paste here. Okay, okay, okay. After setting the path, then you have to paste here Control V. Okay, then Android, then we repeat. I will copy this. Then this will be the Control V. Okay, my Android home and Java home path already set. Then you have to click it down, save and restart. Okay, then it takes some time for restart. Okay, if you go for check, your Android home and Java path already set. So cut it and click it start server. Here you uh, you starting Appium server, listen. Okay, edit configuration Android home and Java home done. Just save, restart later, no problem. Just wait some second, then it will be show the page in front page. Click it down and start server. Congratulations, you have to welcome Appium version 1.9.1.9.1 Appium, and this is the server is running. Okay, and if you close, then you have to click it down there, stop server, then Appium server stop successfully. So this is the process, and after this description I will give you in description, so no problem. Thank you.